To use Apple Pay on Expedia, you will first need to ensure that you have a compatible Apple device, such as an iPhone or Apple Watch, and that you have already set up Apple Pay on your device. Begin by opening the Expedia app on your device. Then select the travel option you wish to book, such as a flight or hotel. Once you have selected your travel option, proceed to the payment section of the checkout process. In the payment section, you will see a list of available payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal. Look for the Apple Pay option, which is usually denoted by the Apple Pay logo. Select the Apple Pay option as your payment method. You will then be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, depending on the security settings of your device. Once you have authenticated the transaction, the payment will be processed and you will receive a confirmation of your booking. It is essential to note that you must have a credit or debit card added to your Apple Pay wallet to use this feature. Additionally, not all Expedia bookings may be eligible for Apple Pay, so it is crucial to check the Expedia website or app for specific details on which bookings are eligible. Using Apple Pay on Expedia provides a convenient and secure way to make travel bookings, as your actual card number is not shared with Expedia, reducing the risk of fraud. By following these steps and ensuring that you meet the eligibility requirements, you can quickly and easily use Apple Pay to make your travel bookings on Expedia.